Ever wondered how to instantly send money to a friend across the country or buy that must-have item online without sharing your credit card with every single website? That's where PayPal comes in. KevinHowTo, your digital wallet, acting as a secure middleman for online transactions. Let's break down how this works. First, you create a free PayPal account and link it to your bank account, credit card, or debit card. This is a one-time setup. PayPal securely stores this information, so you don't have to enter it every time you make a purchase. Now, when you shop online at a site that accepts PayPal €, and that's a lot of them, you simply choose PayPal as your payment method at checkout. Instead of entering your credit card details, you log into your PayPal account. PayPal then authorizes the payment with your linked funding source. The seller receives the payment, and you receive your goods, all without sharing your sensitive financial information with the seller. Think of it like this: you give PayPal the money, PayPal gives the seller the money, and the seller sends you the product. It's a simple, secure exchange. But what if something goes wrong? That's where PayPal's buyer protection comes in. If you don't receive your item, or it's significantly different from what was described, you can file a dispute with PayPal. PayPal will investigate the issue, and if they rule in your favor, you'll get your money back. This protection extends to sellers too, with seller protection policies to shield them from fraudulent buyers. So, there you have it. PayPal simplifies online payments, protects your financial data, and offers dispute resolution services, making it a cornerstone of secure online commerce. Now you know how it works.